Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you quick and easy Kit Kat brownies. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking dish.
You will need the following: a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a third cup of oil and another third cup of oil, half a cup of boiling water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of sugar, and enough Kit Kats to cover the surface of the bowl. Add together the cocoa powder and baking soda. Add the boiling water and first part of oil. Add the sugar, eggs and remaining third cup of oil. Add the flour, vanilla and salt. Add half of your batter into your prepared baking dish. Add the rest of the batter.
Bake for 40 minutes. Let it cool down and garnish with your chocolate sauce of choice.
Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye guys.